Welcome my friends, this is Ramesh Sharma here and you are watching single page application using Laravel Livewire with simple login system, and this is a part 4th of this series. And in the previous part we created routes here. First login route, and when I will click on login, so it will redirect us to the login route. See that here I am login component, and then when I will go to register, so it will redirect us to register route, that is at the register component. So when I will click here, now we are at home, so I am home component. So today in this part we will see how we can add double links, and we will add active class here. See that when I will click here to the login, so it should have an active class. So that thing we have to do. So now without wasting any time, let's start it. First of all, we will add the active class, then we will install the turbo links. This is a recording section here. So first of all, we will go to the resources here. In the resources there is views, and then in the we don't need layouts, we will go to Livewire and then components. In the components there is Nava that we have created. So first of all, we have to add the active class here. So here first of all we will check if there is active class or not. So we will write request and parenthesis, we will make this function, and in the request we will check if this route is login, and but this login I am mentioning here. So see that when I will go to routes here, we created in the web.php, so we created 3 routes here. First is get register, next slash register slash login, and then slash here. So this slash means we are at the home routes, but for the slash we don't have to define anything. So here simply we will write login here. So first of all, see that here login route is there, so we will not consider the slash, we will simply write like this, login or register. So we will check this. If this route is this, then we will add class active, otherwise we will not add any active class. So here make sure single quotes are there, and then same thing we are going to do with this here, and here we will write register here. Save it successfully, and now let's go here and refresh it. See that we are now at login here, so add login route, and see that we are getting an active class here, and but whereas register is not having any active class. So when I will click on register, now register is having the active class, but login is not having the active class. So now we have to use the turbo links. This active class is completed successfully. See that why we are using turbo links, as this is a single page application only, but we don't want to refresh this page when we will navigate there. So when I will click on login, see that our page is reloading. Here see that our page is reloading, but we don't want this. So for that we have to add turbo links. So now let's add the turbo links here in our Laravel with Livewire. So first of all we will go to the GitHub link. So that will be, I will leave the links, all links in the video descriptions that I will show here. So first is github.com/turbolinks/turbolinks. So here first of all we have to install the turbo links, as we can use npm also in the this one in our Laravel here. So first of all we will install the turbo links here. So I am going to copy this command npm install turbo links here. So let's copy this, and now I am opening my terminal here, and under this terminal we will paste this command, that will be npm install save turbo links. Let's wait for a while, our turbo links is adding. I will be right back after installing this. Our package is installed successfully here. So first of all, now we have to do same thing that we did in the did for the bootstrap here. So first of all, see that what we have to do. Now we have to start the turbo links in the JavaScript bundle. So we have to provide this thing here. So now I will copy this, and let's go to the JS here. So because these are the sources here, and here this file we will compile here, and I am pasting it, and here I am going to write constant, that is turbo links, require turbo links, and then we are going to start the turbo links here, and I am going to close this. And let's now, first of all, we have to bind it also. So here I am going to write npm run mix, npm run dev. This thing I'm going to write to compile our app.js, because we have installed the turbo links and we have used this. So this thing we have to compile here so that we can get in our public directory in the JS here. So this thing we are using in our layouts here, in our whole application. See that this thing, that is app.js here. Now let's wait for a while to build this. Now after running this, what we have to do? After running this, see that here when you will go to github.com/livewire turbo links here, and here you will go to the readme.md, and here it is written, if you are using turbo links, turbo and livewire on the same page, if we both are using here, so we are using this turbo links as well as we are using livewire here also. So for that we have to use this here under the livewire scripts. So why we are using this here? See that here when you will go to the documentation here, Laravel livewire docs 2 upgrading, so here you will get remove turbo links ports. So turbo links is no longer supported in the this new version of livewire, but if we want to continue this turbo links, then we have to add this adapter here. So we have to add this adapter here. So this same link is provided in this directory here. So this is also the provided by the documentation, provided by the livewire turbo links here. So this package, so see that our Laravel mix is applied successfully here. See that our build, this one is compiled successfully. Now we can close this terminal and let's see if we are getting any turbo link here or not, turbo link type of spot. So I'm reloading it, and now when we will go to register here, see that our page is not refreshing. When I will go here, see that our page is not refreshing. Now this means that turbo links is working here. So see that, see here, when I will click on the register, our page is not refreshing, means we are rendering to another page without refreshing. So this is the power of turbo links. But if we want to make it work properly here, see that here it is written livewire version 1 supports turbo links internally. So it supports internally here turbo links, but livewire version 2 has not an internal support. So for that we have to add this turbo links turbo plugin here. So to that we can use CDN here. We have to include this CDN here. So I'm going to copy this whole CDN, copy this. So this CDN and this CDN provided in the documentation is same here. So I'm going to copy this, and let's go to app.blade.php, that is our layout here, and below the livewire scripts or this one, I'm just going to paste it here. We have to remove the body here and save it successfully. And now if we will refresh it, now we should not have any errors here. So whenever we go to register, now it is working perfectly, same like that. Now we have added the spot of turbo links also. So for today this is enough, and now from the next video onwards we are going to start building our application. First of all, we will start with the login system. So in the next video we will first of all register the user here. So see that here whenever we click on login, register here, so there's sometimes loading also come. That is very good. So So for today this is enough. If you have any queries, please comment in comment section. I will definitely respond to that. At last, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next tutorial. Please like, subscribe and share this channel.